check some patterns of square numbers. Okay. The first one, there are two and non-square numbers between the square of two consecutive numbers n plus 1. What is this saying? We will take two consecutive numbers. Okay, we are going to take two consecutive numbers 5 and 6. Okay, we know that how to find out the square of each number. What is the 5 square is equal to 25 and 6 square is equal to 36. Okay, you should always take consecutive numbers only, and what you should do? You should find out the squares of that number. So 5 square we got as 25 and 6 square we got as 36. Now what we should do? We should find out how many non-square numbers will be there in between this 25 and 36. That means from 25 to 36, many numbers are missing, isn't it? So we should find out how many non-square numbers will be there in between this 25 and 36. Okay, so how will you check? That is the formula. There are 2n non-square numbers between the square of two consecutive numbers n and n plus 1. Here, which one is n and which one is n plus? The first number, what is the first number? 5. 5 is equal to n and 6 is equal to n plus 1, isn't it? If you are taking 5 is equal to n, if you are adding 1 to n, what will you get? 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, so this is n plus 1. Okay, so we should find out how many non-square numbers will be there in between these two numbers. Okay, in between 25 and 36. Okay, what is the formula for that? You should multiply 2 with n. Which one is 2 here? Which one is n here? 5 is n here. So what is the answer? 2 into 5, that's equal to 10. That means 10 non-square number will be there in between 25 and 36. We will check. After 25, which one is coming? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. We should avoid this 36 and 25, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 non-square numbers are there in between these two square numbers. Okay, so it is easy only. If you got two consecutive numbers, what you should do to find out the non-square numbers in between them? That means if you got two numbers like 3 or 4, okay, so you should find out the non-square number between the square of these numbers. Okay, first you should take the square of these numbers. What is the square of 3? 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. So you should find out the numbers in between 9 and 16. That means how many numbers are there in between 9 and 16 you should find out. For that, what you should do? Simply you can multiply this 3 with 2. Then you will get how many? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So in between 9 and 16, total 6 non-square numbers are there. Okay. We'll check one more example. What is the question given here? How many natural numbers lie between squares of 12 and 13? So you should find out how many non-square numbers will be there in between 12 and 13. Okay. So the numbers are 12 and 13. What is 12 square? 144. And what is 13 square? 169. So in between 144 and 169, how many natural numbers are lying? That you should find out. If you are listing, if you are writing 144, 145, 146 up to 169, it is a difficult task, isn't it? That's why we are using this formula. So what we should do? What is our n and what is our n plus 1 here? Our n is equal to 12 and n plus 1 is equal to 13, isn't it? So how to find out the non-square numbers in between 144 and 169? We should multiply 2 with n. What is n here? N is equal to 12. So 2 into 12, that is equal to 24. Therefore, 24 non-square numbers or 24 natural numbers will be there in between 144 and 169. Okay? Okay, why they are asking specifically natural numbers? There are many other numbers also, isn't it? There may be a fraction, there may be decimals like that. Many number will be there in between 144 and infinite numbers will be there in 144 and 169. That's why they are asking specifically natural numbers. Okay. So this is the formula. 2n is equal to 2 into what is the n? First number. What is the first number? 12. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Therefore, 24 natural numbers will be there in between 12 and 13. Okay.